You want to file I-130 petition for your parent, but you don't know where to start, what kind of document to submit. If you are somebody who is in that situation, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde. Welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here we talk about immigration on this channel. I have newcomers, permanent resident, and even U.S. citizen here in the United States of America. You know, like I said, not only we talk about immigration, but we talk about finance, business once in a while, just to help, especially you guys who are newcomers here in the United States of America. Like I said in the introduction, today's video will be about document you need to submit on how to start I-130 petition process for your parent. Okay, if you are somebody who's trying to petition for your parent, maybe your parent call you like, oh, they want to come to United States of America, they want to come here and live permanently, and you don't know what to do. Well, this video is for you. Okay, so if you are somebody who in that situation, the first thing you have to know is that in order to file an I-130 petition for your parent, you have to be a U.S. citizen. Okay, if you are a permanent resident, you cannot file an I-130 petition for your parent. Okay, so you have to be a U.S. citizen. You have to be 21 or older in order to do that. In order to file a I-130 petition for them. So if you don't meet those requirements, you won't be able to do that. Okay, so first thing first, you have to fill up the form I-130. That's the first thing you're gonna do. Once you fill it up, you sign everything. Then you're gonna add some additional document to the form before you submit it. Okay, so those documents gonna be the first document you're gonna add to the form will be, I would say, your birth certificate. Okay, your birth certificate. If you petition for your mom, for example, you have to provide a copy of your birth certificate showing your name and your mom's name. Okay, but in case you petition for your dad, and you're gonna provide your birth certificate, copy of your birth certificate, and also a marriage certificate if your dad and your mom are married, or if they got married before but they were divorced, then you still have to provide the divorce certificate as well. Okay, that one is only if you petition for your dad. The second document you're gonna add is gonna be proof of status. Okay, so like I said, you have to be U.S. citizen in order to petition for your parent. Therefore, you have to show any document that prove that you are U.S. citizen. It can be your naturalization certificate. It can be your U.S. passport. Make sure the U.S. passport is not expired. It can be your birth certificate if you are born here in the United States of America, or if you are born abroad by a U.S. Citizen, then you're gonna provide that document as well. Okay. Then you have to make sure you translate all the document into English. If the document are in different languages, make sure you translate them in English before you submit them. Okay. The other thing you're gonna add is gonna be the fees. Okay, when you file I-130 petition, you have to pay fees. Right now, I think the fee is still on $535. Okay, but like I told you guys, the fee is gonna change October 2nd. Which is probably next week, so the fee is gonna change. So you have to make sure you check the correct fee before you fill up on the check, either the check or money order, because to pay the fees you're not gonna send cash. You have to send either money order or check. Okay, and make sure the check or the money order is payable to DHS, which is Department of Homeland Security. It's better to write Department of Homeland Security instead of DHS. Okay, so after you gather all those documents, the fees and the document I just talk about, then you have to submit a document to the right USCIS office. Okay, so to do that, to make sure you know exactly where to send the I-130 package, you have to, when you go to the website uscis.gov/I-130, you scroll down, you will see where to file. Okay, then click on where to file, then you will see exactly where to send your I-130 petition package. So basically, those are the things you have to add to the I-130 petition form when you petition for your parents, okay, your mom or your dad. One more thing before I finish today's video, make sure when you send a document, send a copy of those documents. Okay, don't send the original of the document unless a USCIS asks you for. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, who needs to benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, click on my picture over here. You see that? Just click on it. If you want to be notified every time I drop a new video, hit the bell. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.